This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mark Nichols. Just listed. You're going to love this 4-bedroom 2-bath home. Newly built in 2020 with approx 2,621 square feet of living space. Open floor plan is welcoming for families that like to entertain. Large living area west/vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. Huge kitchen with lots of cabinets and plenty of seating at the open bar. A separate dining area and large utility room. Split bedroom design ensures a peaceful night's rest. Huge master bedroom, bath and walk-in closet. Quality construction includes wood and tile floors throughout, no carpet. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, gas stove, full brick exterior, new deck with step and hot tub added deck 2021. New deck extends out from covered deck for lots of outdoor space. Extra storage with garage door access and so much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Nichols at 865-342-4200.